Hello everyone, myself Rishita, and in this video I'll walk you through the steps to create and print an e-invoice in Bizmitra ERP. The company and financial year have already been selected. Now from the dashboard, click on the invoice option. Next, click on Create to begin a new invoice entry. Now we can see the sales invoice screen. From there, we need to select the voucher type. For example, here I'm selecting sales invoice manual. Then we need to enter the date. Here I'm entering today's date. Then we also need to mention the voucher number. Like I'm randomly mentioning a voucher number. Next, we need to select the customer. Then we need to select the ledger. We also need to mention the bill to place and ship to place location. Then click on Add Product. Select the product, select the go down, enter the quantity and enter the rate. All the other fields will auto-populate and click on Add Product. Now click on Add Ledger. Select the ledger. The ledger amount will be automatically selected. Then again select on Add Ledger. Then click on SGST and click on Save. Now click on eWay bill option. eWay bill number and date will be automatically generated. We need to enter the dispatch from and dispatch to location. Then we need to mention the distance. Then we need to select the mode and the freight mode. Then we need to enter the dock number and the date. Also, we need to enter the vehicle number. Next, we need to select the vehicle type and click on Submit. Now, to view the created invoice, we need to select the month of June from the list. Here we can see the entire overview of all the other invoices which have been created in the month of June. Now this is our invoice. Under the action, we need to click on e-invoice first for the IRN to be successfully generated. Then again under the action, we need to click on print. Our invoice will be successfully printed. So this is how it is printed in Bizmitra ERP. You can see the invoice. This is the tax invoice. So that concludes this quick tutorial on creating and printing an e-invoice in Bizmitra ERP. Thank you.